How to add recommendation on LinkedIn. So guys, I'm going to show in my desktop, but if you're using iPhone or Android phone, you can follow the same step. So guys, without time wasting, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my LinkedIn. So here you can ask for recommendation, and you can also give a recommendation to the particular your particular contacts or employees. So guys, let's start with the video. First, how you can ask for recommendation. Okay, go to the profile, login, and you have to go in your profile page, click on your name, or you can go from here just with the profile. This profile will be open. Now in order to ask recommendation, just click on more. Okay, click on add section and go to the additional information, and here you can see request recommendation. Just click on it, and here you have to search people uh to whom we want to ask. Okay, so just search person. So I just this person. Okay, just continue. You have to see select the relationship with, manage directly, manage it you directly, manage reported directly to you. Jyoti was senior to you but didn't manage directly. You have to select relationship by manager or not. So just I choose Jyoti, manage it you directly. Okay, you have to select your position. This is your current position which you have add your profile. So just I select this position for the recommendation, and here you have to write something personal message to the Jyoti and just send it. So the notification will get by you to the this person, and he will accept your recommendation. Okay, so just send it. So guys, when you send the recommendation request, then the request will be see like this. Okay, the person will get message, and here the person will get that, would you write to recommendation, please read this recommendation. So of course that okay. So here if we they click on done, so recommendation will be done. Please check. Okay, so here recommendation has been done. You can see the recommendation you can ask. So now if you want to give some recommendation to the particular contacts, go to the contacts and go go to the connection, and here you have to search connection. I think if I search connection like NetCast demo, if I want to give recommendation of this person, just click on it and open the person profile, go to the more, and here click on the comment and write the NetCast recommendation. Please say okay. You have to select position. This is the person job heading, and this is the relation with you. Okay, relation with you. You report directly to the NetCast. Okay, and same. What is the option? You can see request to recommendation. Okay, click on recommendation and request to recommendation. Okay, how do you know NetCast? So guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.